migration order. Okay, na? That is a phenol, phenacolone. Today we'll discuss very important thing in hydroxy compound phenol system. Aromatic ring system, phenols. Very important for all entrance point of view. Phenol system. So you know phenol aromatic ring is there. Here OH is there. IUPAC name benzenol. IUPAC name is benzenol. IUPAC accepted name is a phenol. Widely we are using phenol, but IUPAC actual IUPAC name is benzenol. Phenol is IUPAC accepted name. Other name is carbolic acid. Remember, old entrance question. This is already carbolic acid. Without COH here, phenol without COH name we are writing carbolic. Remember, already this old entrance question. Common name we can say hydroxybenzene. Hydroxybenzene also correct. Okay, na? Like this, different names we can write. Now, first we'll discuss preparation methods. I will prepare. Tell me answer. First one mainly from alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene, particularly cumin. So many times entrance question, so many times entrance question for all, whether IIT or NEET. This is isopropyl benzene. Common name is called as cumin, or otherwise that is called as isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene, Nana. Then how we will prepare first isopropyl benzene? Connection I am writing. Our topic is phenol, but this is main important. How will get? You can get from Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Benzene is there. Whenever your N-propyl chloride treated in presence of ALCL, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, or directly isopropyl chloride treated in presence of AlCl3, or otherwise propene. This is also Friedel-Crafts alkylation only. You see, Marconi-Koff rule. H plus ion attack here. You will get carbocation, isopropyl electrophile. Now isopropyl electrophile attacks to benzene. There you will get, this is first year lesson, Nana. There you will get isopropyl benzene. Already I have given mechanism very clearly for all these examples. With the mechanism explained, again I am writing. Okay, na? Now, what is our answer? Next one. Whenever alcohol is given, which one? Isopropyl alcohol by acid, or other case N-propyl first year, now isopropyl. Like this any reaction leads to cumin. Benzene treated with N-propyl chloride, first year aromatic compound lesson. This is Friedel-Crafts alkylation example. These all are Friedel-Crafts alkylation only. All Friedel-Crafts. You are getting cumin. Now cumin is our substrate. Cumin is the main substrate. Now we are using cumin. We are preparing phenol. So here air by sunlight and in presence of acid. Air by sunlight and acid. Very simple. Here carbon-carbon bond cleavage. Here ring, aromatic ring, phenol ring converted to phenol, isopropyl branch converted to ketone. So particularly this is a acetone, this is a phenol. Okay, Nana. So this is the preparation method. మరి sir, how CC bond cleaved? You wrote very clearly example. మరి ఎలా క్లీవ్ అయింది? క్లీవ్ అవ్వడానికి కావాల్సినటువంటి కండిషన్స్ ఏంటి? మరి కండిషన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఓకేనా? So that's why we can expect no problem. Now we'll see the mechanism first. How this reaction occur? See the mechanism. First here isopropyl benzene means here CH3 is there. CH3 is there. Here H also there. Okay na? Air means here oxygen only. Sunlight. So in presence of this one, this undergoes homolytic cleavage. You will get O free radical. Here sunlight is there, isopropyl. If this is undergoes cleavage, you can get free radical mechanism. If you are like this, free radical more stable. Isopropyl free radical more stable. That's why what happened here, bond cleavage, here you will get free radical. Now what happened immediately? Whenever free radical is there, here O free radical attacks here. In presence of sunlight, carbon iodine undergoes homolytic cleavage. Whenever cleave free radical, your oxygen reached here. There you can get, what is our answer, Nana? Here C, here O, here H. This is called as a peroxide. O bond is there, na? Peroxy bond is there. Due to this, peroxide is formed. This is intermediate, gurtupetukondi. This intermediate product, sometimes that is also they are asking. In cumin, what is the intermediate product? The intermediate product is what? Peroxide is intermediate. You know, whenever peroxide is given, here in peroxide, in between peroxide for a single bond is there, but each oxygen having two to lone pair. So in between lone pair, what happened? Repulsions are there. Lone pair, according to Vesper theory, valency shell electron pair repulsion. According to Vesper theory, repulsions are more. Whenever repulsions are more, the bond become weak. Two lone pairs are there. 4 lone pairs, more repulsion, dominating repulsion. That's why bond become very weak. Immediately what happened here in acidic medium? We are taking H plus now, acid medium. Then what is there? H plus ion. Then H plus ion attacks where? Here oxygen. Here oxygen having lone pairs na. Acidic medium C. Here O, here what is there, Nana? Here H plus. When your H plus attacks here, positive charge. Now tell me, you know, whenever positive charge present on more electronegative atom, this is highly unstable. Oxygen having positive charge, whenever more electronegative atom having positive charge, that is highly unstable. Okay, na? That's why immediately what happened here? This is a bond undergoes cleavage. To get stability, to become neutral, to get stability, become neutral. Whenever bond is cleaved, that is the driving force. Immediately what happened? Electron rich one. Here bond cleavage means this become electron deficient. Electron deficient. But oxygen deficient means highly unstable. That's why what happened? Immediately electron rich phenyl group is migrated. Phenyl is there. Electron rich group. So this rich group is migrated. Methyl is there, methyl. Instead of methyl, pH is migrated first. సార్ మీకు డౌట్ రావచ్చు, సార్ మిథైల్ ఆల్సో షిఫ్ట్ నా, మిథైల్ ఆల్సో పాస్, నో డౌట్ మిథైల్ ఆల్సో పాసిబుల్, but here electron rich important. Why? This phenyl is electron rich towards deficient oxygen, clearly right. Phenyl is electron rich, that electron rich one migrate towards electron deficient oxygen. Deficient, highly unstable. To get stability, phenyl is migrated. Phenyl is migrated. There is a driving force here. This is important point. Phenyl shifted here. Whenever phenyl pH minus shifted, then here bond cleavage, you will get a cation. So phenyl shifted to oxygen. Okay, Nana. Oxygen here, O is there. Then here isopropyl group also there. Due to cleavage of this, your isopropyl group carbon get positive charge. This is the intermediate. Here you will get here water also released. Once again, H plus attacks to oxygen. Whenever H plus attack, here positive charge arises. Positive charge developed on oxygen. But here oxygen having positive charge highly unstable. Oxygen having positive charge highly unstable. That's why bond undergoes cleavage. Whenever this bond cleavage, here oxygen become deficient. To satisfy valency or to neutralize the deficiency, your electron rich one is migrated here. Phenyl is electron rich one. So instead of methyl and methyl, phenyl is migrated first. Electron rich one. While migration here bond undergoes cleavage, here isopropyl carbon get positive. That is only I'm writing. Now this is intermediate, cation intermediate. After that, what is there? You know, H2O attack. Tell me. Whenever H2O means OH attacks here, okay, now directly what is our answer here? Like this here, O. Now isopropyl group here, OH. This is what? On same carbon, OH and OCH3 is there. Okay, na? OH and OH. This is called as hemi-acetal ketone. Ketone product is there, hemi-ketol. Hemi-ketol, ketone having, ketone is converted to your hydroxy ether. This is ether, your hydroxy. Ether and hydroxy group present on same carbon, developed from ketone. That's why name. This is hemi-ketol. But you see, whenever here on same carbon, if two OH groups are there, immediately what happened? Removal of water. General condition I am writing. Immediately you will get C double bond C, C double bond O. Similar way, on same carbon, OH and X group is there, halogen group. Removal of this HX. Here also you will get carbonyl carbon. Directly I am writing here OH here X group. Here removal of HX, you will get carbonyl carbon. Okay, na? Similar way, whenever OH and NH2 is there, here also what? Immediately removal of NH3. There also you will get carbonyl carbon. There also you will get carbonyl carbon. Similar way, here carbon having OH and OR group, ether group. There also here removal of alcohol. These all are general condition, Nana. Then you will get carbonyl group. Okay, na? You see this is, okay, na? Here on same carbon, OH and OH. This is called as a gem diol. Gem means same అని చెప్పాను. Two groups present on same carbon, that is gem diol. Here geminal diol, geminal halohydrine, geminal aminohydrine, geminal here hydroxy ether. Gem means on same carbon, geminal system. So whenever like this, these all are unstable. Remember generalization, general condition I am writing here. These are there automatically. This is the product. Okay, now you observe same thing. Here also what is there? This is the carbon, here OH and ether. That is a geminal hydroxy ether, Nana. Geminal hydroxy ether. Geminal dihydroxy ether means automatically what happened? Here this hydrogen bond undergoes cleavage. Now here O also bond cleavage. Very clear? So here this is there, here cleavage. This is there, here cleavage. Okay? So cleavage is there. What happened? Answer. Now here H transfer to O. H transfer to O. Then our product formation is Rana phenol. Then here O release, here bond means here become double bond. Now you will get here acetone. Like this here acetone and phenol you will get. Mains and NEET directly they are asking question. Sometime in NEET and mains, what is the intermediate? What is the intermediate product? Here intermediate product is, remember, peroxide. Intermediate product name is peroxide, remember. Why this is migrating? What is the driving force? Stability factor. The stability factor, here oxygen is deficient. To get stability, here phenyl, electron rich one migrated. Electron rich one migrated. Electron rich one migrated, remember. Okay, so this is the mechanism. This mechanism is called as peroxide rearrangement here. The mechanism name peroxide rearrangement, Nana. Name of the reaction peroxide rearrangement. So once the peroxide rearrangement is there, final product is phenol plus acetone. Once again you check. Once again you check here. If H plus cleave, you will get isopropyl, highly stable free radical, Nana. Reason, you know, here double bond. Benzene system is double bond. Here electron pair. Electron and double bond in conjugated. So conjugation is there, highly stable. That's why benzyl free radicals are highly stable, Nana. Benzyl free radicals are highly stable. Okay, okay, na. Benzyl free radicals are highly stable. Next case, here sunlight is given. That's why carbon hydrogen cleavage, H free radical, immediately O free radical attacks here. Finally, you are getting peroxide. But in acidic medium, we are taking HCl. H plus is a deficient. Oxygen is electron rich. That's why H plus attack here. Whenever H plus added here, oxygen having positive charge. Oxygen having positive charge means highly unstable. Highly unstable. That's why bond undergoes cleavage. Here bond undergoes cleavage. Okay, now cleaved water and you will get deficient oxygen, or immediately here phenyl group migrated here. So then you are getting here intermediate. After that attack of water, we are getting geminal hydroxy ether. Geminal hydroxy ether name is called as hemiketol. Remember students, so many times they are asking intermediate name. So many times intermediate question. JEE means number of times asked. JEE means number of times asked, remember. Okay, so here carbon having, this is developed from ketone, that's why name hemiketol. Hemiketol. So hydroxy ether name, then you are getting phenol and here acetone. This is the rearrangement reaction. Okay, so first we are developing from cumin. Cumin how is prepared? From benzene. From benzene we are preparing cumin. So cumin is converted to phenyl and acetone. Phenol and acetone. Okay, na? So this is the preparation method from cumin. Very important method. Next example, I will write one more example. Peroxide rearrangement example. Peroxide rearrangement, Nana. For example, here C. Here CH3. Here CH3. Here H is given. Now directly I am writing air by sunlight and HCl given. What is your product? Same application I am taking. Aerial oxidation. First we will get intermediate now. Where will get intermediate? At this place. So this undergoes homolytic cleavage. Okay na? Here phenyl, here totyl, here methyl. Phenyl, methyl, toluene. First you will get here C, methyl group. Here first here peroxide. This is the intermediate product. Peroxide. So you know OO bond is there, peroxy bond, unstable. Then HCl is there now. HCl is there. Tell me answer. Answer, Nana. You know H plus ion attacks here. H plus ion attacks here. Now tell me here, what is our answer here? CH3. Here O, here O, here H, here H attack, here plus. Now here toluene group. Toluene group. Then tell me answer. Toluene group. Tell me answer here. Now immediately what happened here? Here removal of water. One of the group undergoes migration. Nana, which group migrated? Electron rich one now here. Migration order. Here toluene group migrated, then phenyl, then methyl group. Migration. Electron rich one migration. Migration. Electron rich one migration is there. Electron rich one. Okay na? Now here according to migration you have to write your answer. Now tell me, Nana. Tell me which one migrated, Nana? Methyl or phenyl or toluene? Methyl or phenyl or toluene? Methyl or phenyl or toluene? తర్వాత చేస్తాను నేను క్లాస్. ఓకేనా? వన్ నానా చెప్పండి. Phenyl here, phenyl and toluene. Which one migrated, Nana? First toluene kada. So that's why this is migrated. Here this is migrated here. Okay, migration. So now our answer, if migrated here, here phenyl group. Next here C. Here what? CH3. Here O. Here toluene group. Whenever here group here, this is intermediate, carbocation intermediate. Carbocation intermediate is highly stable. Why? Antiomeric effect here. Lone pair donated. Highly stable antiomeric effect. See here, methyl double bond here plus, like this. Highly stable. Around oxygen 8 electron, around carbon 8. That's why here this is formed. Here carbocation formed immediately. This is the reason. After that, you know, after that what is there here? H2O. H2O means here water attack. Then our answer here pH. Now here CH3, here OH, here O, toluene group. Toluene group, Nana. This is what here hemiketal. This is hydroxy group here, ether. So this is geminal hydroxy ether. This is called as hemiketal. Anywhere hydroxy ethers are called as ketal or estol. Aldehyde nunchi vaste estol, from ketone hemiketal. Now you know here hemiketal unstable. What happened? Immediately here bond cleavage. So here bond here. This is forms as phenol system. Now remaining portion forms as ketone system. Ketone. Then our answer, Nana, Here pH, here CO, here CH3 is there. Next one, Nana, here answer. Your answer, what is there here? OH and here CH3. So this is your answer. Crizal, paracrizal, paracrizal. OH ethyl group is there, that is called as crizal system. Crizal system, paracrizal, and you know acetophenone. Here this group is called acetophenyl ketone. Acetophenyl ketone. That's why name acetophenone. Okay na? So this is the reaction. Next, any example? Here yesterday, ఎవరైనా yesterday class miss అయిన వాళ్ళు, నేను మీకు డే బిఫోర్ yesterday పినకాల్ రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ ఆల్రెడీ మీకు యూట్యూబ్ లో పెట్టాను, మీ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో కూడా పెట్టాను, యూట్యూబ్ లో చూసుకోవచ్చు. మీరు ఎవరైనా నోట్స్ రాసుకునే వాళ్ళు దాన్ని చూసుకోవచ్చు, చెక్ చేయండి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, yesterday example I will upload today. Okay, so peroxide rearrangement also I will apply, so I will upload. If anything is there you can check, but notes రాసుకోవడం ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఈ సిస్టమ్ లో ఉంటది కదా, మీరు చదవాలంటే ఎవ్రీ టైం నోట్స్ ఉంటది కదా, నోట్స్ ఉంటే చదువుకోవచ్చు. సరేనా? వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్, రైటింగ్. వెరీ గుడ్. నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్? ఆన్సర్ ఏమైంది? పంపిస్తారా? అందరు పంపించట్లేరు నాన్న అని మరి ఎట్లా చెక్ చేయాలరా నేను? మీరు రాస్తురా లేదా తెలవాలి. మీరు హోంవర్క్ చేస్తేనే కదా నాకు తెలిసేది. ఇప్పుడు పెట్టగలుగుతారా? చెప్తారా ఆన్సర్? ఏది మైగ్రేట్ అయితే నాన్న చెప్పండి నాకు. విచ్ వన్ మైగ్రేటెడ్? టెక్ 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 టెక్. ఫినైలా, మిథైలా, వేదం ఫినైల్ మైగ్రేటెడ్. పారానైట్రోఫినైల్ కాదా? గుడ్. ఫినైల్, శ్రావ్య ఫినైల్, సాయి నవీన్, రుచిత ఫినైల్, ఫినైల్, సిద్ధి చందన, గుడ్. చెప్పండి నాన్న, అందరు రాయాలరా. వర్ష, శర్వాన్, వెన్నెల, నిహారిక, మధుమిత, రీతు, ప్రణాళిక, అలా రైటింగ్. సింధుజ, గాయత్రి, అంజలియల్, లోహిత్, శ్రీరాజ్, గుడ్. చైతన్య జీ, నైస్. అంటే అర్థమవుతుందని అర్థం. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. మణిచరణ్, వెరీ నైస్. సో మెనీ ఆర్ రెస్పాండింగ్ అంటే కాన్సెప్ట్ క్లారిటీ ఉందని అర్థం. వెరీ గుడ్, నైస్ థింగ్. సో నౌ అవర్ ఆన్సర్. చెప్పండి నాన్న ఆన్సర్ ఇయర్. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు షిఫ్ట్ అవుతారు ఇక్కడ? ఫినైల్ మైగ్రేషన్ నాన్న. ఫినైల్ మైగ్రేట్ అవుతుంది కదా, అంటే ఫినాల్, ఇయర్ కట్. Phenol. So main product answer here, phenol. Now paranitроestophenone. Paranitroestophenone nana. So migration phenyl group, all are correct. ఇలా మీరు పెరాక్సైడ్ రీఅరేంజ్మెంట్ చేసి రాయొచ్చు కదా, రాస్తారా? వెరీ నైస్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫినాల్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏంటిది? ఫ్రమ్ క్యూమిన్ సిస్టమ్. దీనికి ఇది ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ రాశాను. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఫ్రమ్ chlorobenzene. From chlorobenzene, you know directly answer. Chlorobenzene, aryl halide. Whenever directly NaOH given, no reaction, no aryl halide, no substitution, but whenever same aryl halide given at high temperature and pressure kada. So here 200 to 300 degree temperature and high pressure, then what happened here? Bond cleavage anukunnam. This is what aromatic accento mechanism ఇచ్చాను నాన్న, మీకు క్లియర్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిన మెకానిజం ఇచ్చాను. హాలోజన్ కాంపౌండ్ లో ఉంది. then you will get directly what here? Phenol. This process is called ఏమన్నాం? Dawes process. ఓకేనా? phenol system, Dawes process. Here aromatic ring important. ఇంకా ఎలక్ట్రాన్ విత్ డ్రాయింగ్ గ్రూప్ ఉన్న కూడా రియాక్షన్ అనుకున్నాం మనం. ఎలక్ట్రాన్ విత్ డ్రాయింగ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, more important. Number of withdrawing groups are given. Here 200 temperature I am decreasing. Temperature I am decreasing here 100 degrees only. 100 degrees only. Okay. Now here aqueous sodium carbonate, nothing but this is nothing but aqueous sodium carbonate NaOH only. This is also undergoes substitution. This is aromatic accento. There also what is our product formation here? Paranitrophenol, dinitrophenol nana. Similar way, dinitrophenol. Next here chlorine, trinitrochlorobenzene with water. Weak nucleophile. Water is a weak nucleophile. We are taking temperature less. Reason, 3 withdrawing groups are there. 3 nitro group ready to undergo substitution. Here aromatic accento. AR means aromatic. Then undergoes nucleophilic substitution. What is our product formation? Here trinitrophenol. Actually phenols are less acidic than acid. Trinitrophenol common name is called as picric acid. Nana. Now actually here carboxylic acids are more acidic than phenols. But here picric acid more acidic than formic acid. Remember, so picric acid is there. That is more acidic than carboxylic acid. Remember, for acidic order entrance point of view are very important. Acidic order. Okay, so like this here you can write answers. Okay now. Okay, here this is a nucleophilic substitution from chlorobenzene compounds. Also you can get from diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium salt. Here aromatic ring having N2 plus. Here X. This is called diazonium salt. Here you know, here N2 plus is the best living group. N2 plus is the best living group, Nana. How will prepare? Tell me here diazonium salt. Nana. N2 plus. So this is prepared from only one, that is from aniline. Just I am going for extension, that's all. Our main concentration diazonium salt only. Main concentration diazonium salt. But how you are preparing means like this. Here yesterday also I have given N2 plus. Pinacolon lo వచ్చాను. HNO2 at 0 to 5 degrees and ఏమనుకున్నాం మనం? చెప్పండి నాన్న. NaNO2 nothing but ఏమన్నాం HNO2 అనుకున్నాం. Immediately what happened here in this presence NH2 group converted N2 plus అని చెప్పాను మీకు క్లియర్ గా చెప్పాను N2 plus diazonium salt. మరి how we will prepare nana here? This is how we'll prepare from nitrobenzene reduction reaction. Extension I am writing, linked questions I am writing. Nitrobenzene, how we will prepare here? Reduction reaction here, metal plus HCl, ఇక్కడ మెటల్ అంటే ఎవరు ఐరన్, టిన్, జింక్ ఏదైనా కావచ్చు. ఎనీథింగ్ ఈస్ గివన్, metal plus HCl is there, automatically NO2 reduces to NH2. Nitrobenzene converted to what here? Not on this one here, directly we can get here H2 by nickel, H2 by catalyst. But here the nitrobenzene also we can get what from chlorobenzene. Ela nana, here we'll get what? NH3 by temperature. Here we can take here copper oxide by 300 degrees centigrade. This is also converted to, here see, chlorobenzene converted to aniline. These are the important condition. Okay na, nitrobenzene how, chlorobenzene how. Okay, main concentration diazonium salt, then how we will get means from these condition. Now tell me, diazonium salt, any nucleophile is given, readily undergoes here bond cleavage, here releases as N2. I told you best leaving group. This is a aromatic SN1 mechanism. Now here you will get here any nucleophile. First you will get here like this aryl carbocation phenyl. Immediately the nucleophile is there, nucleophile approaching a reaction, aromatic aromatic SN1 nucleophile. Okay na, same thing I am taking here for this. Same thing I am taking. Now I am taking diazonium salt. Okay, N2 plus X minus. Here just you take here boil water. Okay, now what is the nucleophile? OH. Here N2 plus is the best leaving group. Then directly you will get phenol system. So very important system here, phenol. From diazonium salt, phenols are there. For example, here N2 plus here Cl is given. Boil water. Here chlorine, no. The answer simply here in place of N2 you will get here OH and here Cl. Here OH, no, this does not forms. Cl remains Cl only. Cl is not involved in substitution. Nana. See, clearly observe diazonium salt. Here N2 plus is there. Here CH3. Here CH3 is there. Tell me answer. H2O by boil water, just N2 plus release. From N2 plus only you will get answer here OH. Okay na? So like this here phenols, you can get phenols from diazonium salt. Here diazonium salt is there. N2 plus is the best leaving group. N2 plus is best leaving group, nana. Right. Next one, from benzene sulfonic acid. from benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. So benzene sulfonic acid, benzene having SO3H group. This is. So benzene sulfonic acid. SO3H also. Then how will prepare here from benzene? From benzene, what is the reagent? Constant H2SO4. Directly you can get answer benzene sulfonic acid. Sulfonation reaction. Okay na? Now the reagent. If here only NaOH is given, this is acidic hydrogen. Acidic given, simply you will get salt. Just salt only. Okay, but here NaOH fusion means more energy, temperature, pressure. Fusion, temperature, pressure will give, more temperature, pressure will give. Then what happened? Here total SO3H living group, you will get answer salt. Why here medium is basic medium? Basic, that's why you'll get phenol salt. Phenol salt. Here just living group, just you will get OH here, that's all. This is living group, substitution reaction. Substitution reaction will get. If here again hydrolysis is given, acidic medium, just neutralization will get here OH. Like this here, wherever SO3H is there, benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid also you can get here good living group. SO3H here, Cl is there. Cl is there. Next year NaOH fusion is there. What is our answer? This is the answer. SO3H here, CH3 fusion. So benzene sulfonic acid derivatives. Answer. Like this here, any benzene sulfuric acid derivatives are given. Directly you will get phenol system. Directly you can get phenol system. Okay, na answer. So like this here, from cumin, from aryl halide, diazonium salt, benzene sulfonic acid, diazonium salt, benzene sulfonic acid, from carboxylic acid, orthohydroxybenzoic acid. We can say this is ఏమన్నాంరా సాల్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్. మరి సాల్సిలిక్ యాసిడ్ ఏం తీసుకుందాం మనం? సోడా లైమ్. సోడా లైమ్ అంటే ఏమన్నా? డీకార్బాక్సిలేటింగ్ ఏజెంట్. Immediately what happened here? Removal of carbon dioxide అన్నాం. సోడా లైమ్ ఎవరు? Decarboxylation, removal. Then our answer here H, then OH as it is. So from decarboxylation also you can get phenol system. Soda lime is there. This is very important. Soda lime for decarboxylation. From OH, COH group is there. From that also you can get phenol system. Phenol system. Phenol system. Okay, na? Directly phenols will get. Phenol system. So decarboxylation, anything is there, you can get. Next one, dienone phenol rearrangement. Phenol rearrangement. Dienone phenol rearrangement. Okay, dienone phenol rearrangement. So dienone, you know, C double bond O, here double bond. Here two double bond, dienone, one, diene, two in, one, ketone. Now in acid medium, acid medium. Now this is converted phenol system. So here dienone is converted phenol, that is called as a dienone phenol rearrangement. So how this reaction occur? We'll see the mechanism. How reaction, double bond here, double bond nana, here hydrogen, hydrogen. Okay na, here H plus ions are there. Whenever H plus means electron deficient now, electron deficient H plus ions attacks here. Then our answer, double bond here, OH plus double bond. But oxygen having positive charge, you know, unstable. Immediately these electron migrate, reason conjugated system. These electron migrated means this become neutral here plus. Again these electrons are migrated here. Then what happened here plus? Immediately what happened? One of the hydrogen shifted here. Okay, here bond cleavage. Then answer what happened here? Completely H plus and release. Here minus and plus become double bond. This double bond shifted here, double bond here, neutral. Once again you see this is shifted here. Here now this shifted means here new double bond. Like this what happened here? Phenol is there. Phenol is converted to what? Dienone is there. Dienone converted to phenol. So that's why, what's the name? This is called as dienone phenol rearrangement. Simply dienone in acid medium. Dienone in acid medium, you will get dienone phenol rearrangement. Dienone phenol rearrangement. Okay na? So like this, different conditions are given. From different condition we can get our answers. Remember? So today we'll stop our class. Today we'll stop. Next class is